So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing well, and let's start today's video that will be using WC, that will be a word count, that will count the number of words in this particular file. I have inserted some text or some alphabets inside this file2.txt. Let's play with this file. Now if I need to print the total number of byte counts, I will use -c and file2.txt. File2.txt. That will print the total number of bytes in this byte counts, like that. It is similar to what character count. Character count, there is totally 77 characters. Okay, let me say that you need to print the count of lines. How many lines are there? There will be 20 lines in this particular file. See, there's 20 lines. If you count from here to here, there will be 20 lines. Okay, the next this one will be using a capital letter L. So it's nothing but capital letter L. It's nothing but it will print the maximum display width of maximum display width. Like it's 9. It is 9. It is the maximum display width. Okay. So the next argument will be, let me clear the screen. The next argument will be using W. So it will count the word count. It will count the words. There is totally 19 words. I'm not talking about the characters, I'm talking about the words. There is 19 words which is separated by lines. Okay, so let me say you need any help that you will not come to know what is this WC, then you can use help, and you can also check the version. That will say 8.32, which was released in 2020. These are the people who written the code for this WC command. That will be that will be word count. Sorry. Then this is all up, guys, and thank you for watching.